welcome all of you. I know the media have been looking for me desperately for the last 2 months or thereabout, wanting to hear from me on a number of issues, national issues, party issues, coalition issues, and so on and so forth. But today, I needed to clarify some fundamental issues that relate to our existence as a political party. I'm sure the entire media organization are aware of artificial, self-induced political crisis around political parties by certain individuals, forces, some of them forces of the coalition, who believe that SDP must be hijacked at all costs, or who believe crisis must be induced in SDP because they couldn't hijack SDP. We're aware of various allegations going around, money being spent. I'm happy to stand here confidently and tell the world there is no single ₦1 transaction between any coalition partners or friends to SDP, either to me personally or to the SDP account. This should be very, very clear. We are a political party. We are not commercial people that can be bought. We built this party over decades with our own sweats, with our own commitment and dedication, and believing that democracy must be strengthened. No individual is above board. No individual is indispensable. Over a period of time, we have seen how parties have been balkanized. We have seen, even yesterday or thereabout, how PDP Secretariat was sealed. So it appears there are forces on ground that are using all kinds of kinetics to ensure they create instability within the parties that have credibility, and so on and so forth. We as a party, we ought to have NWC meeting today around 2 o'clock, but early in the morning around 10 to 11, I was called. Now some talks have invaded our secretariat, trying to lock the gate, to subvert the normal meetings of the NWC. Subsequently, I saw fake news all over social media that the national chairman of the party has been suspended. We have not even had the NWC meeting. I don't know where the meeting took place. After all, I am the chairman and chief executive and national leader of the party by virtue of our constitution. As such, I want to make it clear, I'm speaking from my office directly. Because of the tension, some of the NWC members couldn't make it to the office. The tension was so palpable. But to reassure everyone as a leader that can stand by everyone and defend this party, we will not be intimidated, we will not be coerced by any individual. We have gone through this road before in 1990.